Hey Aries, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. Let's see what's going on. It is safe for you to love, give a relationship a chance, religious factors. Alright, yeah, let's jump in. Let's see what's going on. Y'all, I don't know what's been going on with me and my shuffling today because, I don't know, it's weird. My cards feel heavy. I don't know. I don't know if it's the energy, like what, but I feel like I've been struggling today. Oh my God, get it together. Y'all, sorry, hold on. Aries, general reading. I don't know what is happening today. My card, they feel weird. Alright, there we go. There we go. Alright, I'm feeling better. Okay, Aries, here we go. Thank y'all for being patient. Here we go. Bottom of the deck, you guys have the King of Swords. So this is telling me that some of you guys could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra. If not, this is telling me that you guys cut something out. Y'all cut somebody off. Let's see what's going on. Alright, so I feel like there's something that someone wants to say, but they're just, keeping it to themselves. They want to turn things around with you. They want to work things out with you. Somebody's coming out of being frustrated about a situation here. Maybe you guys feel like the individual had other options here. Maybe you didn't like what you were seeing, but yeah, it's like you're coming out of being frustrated about this person. And y'all know this is a general reading. So just please take whatever fits your situation. May not apply to everyone. And this could go vice versa. But I feel like, okay, somebody had other options here, and they're frustrated because whoever messed up, I feel like they want to come back towards you to talk to you, but they don't know how, which is why they're just holding back. They're keeping things in. I do feel like they want to put in the work to fix the situation here, but this also could be you guys just letting it go, saying, you know what, forget you, I don't have time for this, and you're focusing on yourself. You're focusing on your finances because you're feeling like what it is that you want out of the situation is just not going to happen. Somebody could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But, I just feel like, again, somebody's emotional here and they're just, keeping things to themselves. The Empress. Why is the Empress here? Somebody wants a new beginning. Let's see. Yeah, somebody wants a new beginning here. They want to have a victory. They want the situation to improve. But they're realizing that it just may not take place. Somebody is coming out of worrying about something though. But there's still a lot of indecision here. What's going on with Aries? Why does Aries have indecision? What are they undecided about? Yeah, there's a lot of conflict going on. You could be arguing with someone. It's like you guys now at this point, you're confident in your decision. Whichever decision that is. I feel like you're no longer frustrated about a situation. But whoever you're dealing with, they're getting ready to come back. They want to rush in to tell you something. Let me see. They want a new beginning with you. Ace of Wands. Somebody wants a new beginning here, so they're wanting to tell you the truth. Oh, Lord, y'all. And Aries, that's you. Okay, I'm going to be honest. There's somebody out here. I don't know who, but I'm picking up on you. There's an Aries out here that's pregnant. And I feel like you were pregnant, but you had a miscarriage. That's for some of y'all. And maybe you want to talk about it, or maybe you found out that, the person that you were dealing with got somebody pregnant and you cut them off, but they want to rush back in trying to fix it because this person had a miscarriage. But that's not for everybody, y'all, but it's for somebody out here listening. I hate to, hear about miscarriage and stuff, but, I have to put that out there. somebody could be dealing with another Aries, but I just feel like at the end of the day, you guys are just looking for stability in a situation here. Tell me more. And so at this point, yeah, communication isn't coming in. Somebody's just keeping things to themselves because they're kind of like, what's the point? Somebody feels like there's no security here. Tell me more. Yeah, somebody feels like something's been lost. There's a lot of like mental conflict here. But yeah, this wasn't an equal partnership because somebody was putting in the work and the other person was just like kind of chilling. They was just, you know, doing them. And I feel like you guys, you're just to the point where you're like, okay, I'm using my intuition at this point. Because even though I want things to improve, it's like this person kept rejecting my offer. I do feel like, again, this person wants to come back in, but they're scared because maybe they feel like you're going to reject the offer this time, you know? So it's like there's a lot of back and forth. I feel like 1 minute you want to take the leap, but the next minute you're not. You know, you're feeling like the situation isn't improving, but you do want a happy home with this person. Queen of Wands, this is you. Somebody could be dealing with another fire sign, an Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, but I feel like this is you. You're trying your best to stay positive because at the end of the day, you want a happy home with this person. You see yourself having like this happy family life with this individual. You know, so it's like you're trying your best to stay positive, but you're having a hard time due to the fact, you know, the way they treated you. Somebody out here is definitely dealing with a Libra, but I feel like you were just trying to find out the truth about what's been happening. Maybe somebody got tied up in some type of legal situation, but I feel like, you know, you were trying to find out the truth. And yeah, somebody wants to start over with you. Somebody's coming back to fix things. Tell me more. Yeah, okay. Some type of codependency with this person, but they do want to come back and give you an offer. Somebody could have been dealing with a Sagittarius, so yeah, somebody's trying to balance out the situation here, but those seeds that were planted, you feel like they're not going to grow. And somebody made a decision, but they're back and forth. Somebody could be dealing with a Taurus, but it's like 1 minute you want a commitment with this person, but the next minute you don't see that happening. Somebody's dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio, but this person is not opening up. They're not expressing, you know, how they truly feel. They have a hard time, I feel like, communicating just anything, you know, and so that's why at this point somebody's weighing up their options, trying to figure out what to do. There's definitely a connection here. Could be dealing with a Gemini, but at the end of the day, you had to break up with this person due to the fact that there was some type of third-party situation here. And, you know, it could be with another man, woman, family member, friend, whoever, but yeah, there's definitely some type of third party here, and that's why you feel like you're not going to have a new opportunity with this person. You're not happy. This person left you out in the cold, but I do feel like you've been healing and you're coming out of that energy because at the end of the day, you don't want to move forward with this person at all. But you're ready to move on. You learned your lesson. But somebody's frustrated here. Could be dealing with a Cancer, but somebody's definitely frustrated. Could be about their finances. I feel like, yeah, somebody was given to two. Somebody was trying to balance things out, but they were still playing around. If not, it's like, you know, somebody... Yeah, no, somebody's playing around. You could be dealing with a Leo here. I feel like you're trying to have the strength, but something needs to come to an end so that something new can begin for you, Aries. You know, I have somebody's dealing with a Scorpio. I have an Aquarius here. But yeah, you're just at the point where it's like you don't have any hope that the situation will play out in your favor. There's the King of Pentacles, but somebody's coming back. They want to give you an offer. Could be dealing with an Earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. Yeah, this person is coming to communicate this to you. They definitely want to give you some type of offer of commitment, but you're walking away from them. Fast. Yeah, because it's like this person does not make you happy. You know, you're not content with this person due to the fact that they put you in some type of third-party situation. They couldn't make their mind up about, you know, who they wanted to be with, or, you know, who was basically like number one in their lives. I feel like they put you second to everything else. Could have been dealing with a Virgo, but there was a lesson for you to learn here, Aries, and it's asking you to take a step back to reevaluate the situation here because, again, there was something for you to learn. a lesson in all of this. Two of Swords. Somebody is stuck at a crossroads needing to make a decision. Where about the Two of Swords? There's the King of Wands in reverse. Yeah. Somebody's dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, but I feel like somebody's not taking the lead. And, you know, that's my little player card. So somebody was definitely being a player here. They were playing around. And it's like y'all have been coming off really cold and harsh to them with your words, but your hand is still extended, meaning that you want to give this person another chance because you still love this person. Could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra, but at the end of the day, this person is sneaky, and you're looking at them like, okay, if I give you another change, you have to do a 360 over here. You know, you need to clean it up. Clean up those toxic behaviors. Like, you need to change. I'm no longer just accepting anything from you. Somebody's been taking it day by day, and they're getting stronger here. But somebody is sad because they feel like they lost something here. Somebody could have taken some type of financial loss. But, yeah, there's definitely some sadness here. Yeah, somebody from the past here took some type of loss. But I feel like, okay, you guys are no longer putting your time, effort, or energy into this situation, and you're focusing on yourself. I feel like, you know, somebody's keeping a close eye on you. It's like, and it could go vice versa, to be honest with you, Aries, because it could be that even though, like I said, you don't want to deal with this person because you still love and care about them, if they came in with an offer, you could be kind of like watching them, you know, just seeing if they're legit. But if not, I feel like whoever messed up, they're definitely keeping a close eye on you. But somebody doesn't want the other person to look back at the past. They want to move forward. Could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo, but yeah, somebody's keeping a close eye on you because they don't want you to cut them off. Have an air sign here, Aquarius, Gemini, Libra. Yeah, they don't want you to go anywhere, but they know that they stabbed you in the back. They know that they hurt you. And you're looking at them like, can I even trust you? Look at that, 210. There's definitely an ending here. You let it go. You're dropping the burdens here. You don't have time for this. This person didn't bring a peace of mind to you and the relationship. Like, no. Look at that. Somebody could be dealing with a Pisces, but the truth is coming out. And this person wants to come back to give you some type of offer here. Tell me more. Yeah, they're trying to be positive about it. But the devil is here in reverse. You're going to walk away. Y'all walking away from this toxic situation. Yeah, this isn't good at all. Like, at all, Aries. So, yes, please leave me some comments. Let me know if this resonates for you. And I will talk to you soon.